Welcome to today's EV stock pre-market report. Let's jump right into the electric vehicle market and analyze the performance of key stocks along with their surge signal numbers for today's trading session. Starting with Tesla, the company saw a significant increase of 6.12% in its stock price. Today's surge signals are at 240.13 for upward and 232.71 for downward movements. NIO also had a positive day with a rise of 4.99%. The upward surge signal is at 7.7, and the downward is at 7.39. Lucid Motors experienced a gain of 5.04%, with surge signals set at 4.3 for an upward trend and 4.08 for a downward shift. Rivian stock increased by 4.39%. With today's surge signals at 17.22 for an upswing and 16.57 for a downturn. Mullen Automotive, however, faced a decrease of -2.68%, with surge signals at 0.2 for an upward move and 0.17 for a downward trend. Nikola's stock rose by 7.92%, with surge signals at 1.11 for a potential climb and 1.05 for a continued fall. Li Auto's shares increased slightly by 0.99%, with surge signals at 40.24 for an upward move and 39.29 for a downward trend. XPeng stock surged by 9.68%, with surge signals at 17.33 for a recovery and 16.43 for additional decline. ChargePoint had a significant increase of 17.45%, with surge signals at 3.35 for an upward shift and 3.01 for a downward move. Canoo jumped by 6.85%, with surge signals at 0.28 for continued growth and 0.26 for a potential pullback. Polestar Automotive saw a 4.83% rise, with surge signals at 2.23 for further gains and 2.1 for a slight retreat. Microvision experienced an 8.63% increase, with surge signals at 2.19 for an upward trend and 2.05 for a downward shift. Palantir had a modest increase of 1.17%, with surge signals at 20.19 for continued growth and 19.59 for a potential decline. Fisker stock faced a significant drop of -18.73%, with surge signals at 3.62 for an upward move and 3.09 for a downward trend. Stellantis experienced a gain of 2.9%, with surge signals at 20.41 for an upward trend and 20.1 for a downward shift. Blink Charging stock soared by 18.66%, with surge signals at 4.26 for an upward move and 3.7 for a downward trend. EVgo also had a strong day with a 13.41% increase, with surge signals at 3.22 for an upward shift and 2.95 for a downward move. Fuel Cell Energy saw a significant rise of 18.1%, with surge signals at 1.29 for an upward trend and 1.15 for a downward shift. Lastly, Workhorse Group had a slight decrease of -0.1%, with surge signals at 0.41 for an upward move and 0.37 for a downward trend. That wraps up our pre-market report for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily updates on these EV stocks and more. Stay ahead of the market with our timely insights and analysis.